Hello students, now we are going to see how to draw an angle bisector of a triangle. I will show angle bisectors of an acute angle triangle. So here first I will draw an acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle means all the three angles are acute angles, means less than 90 degree. Okay. Suppose I will give name as A, B, C. First I will bisect B angle. Take sufficient distance in the compass this way and make arc. Okay. Now this distance take in compass of these 2 points. Make arc here, and join this B point and this point. This will be the angle bisector of angle B. Now take sufficient distance and we will bisect C. Sufficient distance you can take, not more, not less. Okay. Now keep the scale properly on point C and join this point and C. Now for angle A. Take this distance in compass and keep it point here. This pointer keep it here. Check the arc properly. This is one. This one. Now this is the point of concurrence of three angle bisector. They are concurrent and this is known as incenter. It is denoted by I, incenter. And one more interesting thing is that if you will draw the circle from incenter, it will just pass from this. It will just touch the three sides. Okay. See students, here I had already drawn the angle bisector for right angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle. All the incenters are inside the triangle for right angle, for obtuse angle, for acute angle. Okay.